Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Coming back to this John Deere L130. Still trying to get this pivot axle bolt out. Not quite sure what the deal is, but we're gonna try it a little differently this time. See if we can make any progress. I don't really want to use a ratcheting wrench, but I don't have a lot of other choices. So we're gonna give this a try. My breaker, nope, my breaker bar won't fit. My breaker bar won't fit. We're gonna try something else. Hold on just a minute. All right, we are back. Found a 17. I want to see. The 17 doesn't fit. Uh-oh. Got this nice jacket dirty earlier, moving some free logs. And I should have changed it before I came out to this. Oh, almost broke my face. That would have hurt. I sprayed this with some liquid wrench. If you remember, we cracked my 18 socket. Haven't found another one yet. And it won't fit. I do have a deep well 18. But that runs into the wire harness clip back here. But it does fit. I wonder if this shallow breaker bar would work. Don't know what we just did. Maybe nothing, maybe something amazing. Oh, I think we finally broke it loose. We need to get it from the inside, not the outside. Question is it just turning? It is not. Well, there you go. After all that time, may have just broken it loose finally. Still don't have an 18 wrench, but this 3/4 will work now that it's loose. Put a lock on this front one. Well, there you go. Finally some progress. I don't know if it was a combination of liquid wrench and the finally getting the socket on it with a breaker bar on the inside. But now we got the opportunity to fix this thing. It's a lock washer or lock nut with about 3/4 of an inch of threads hanging out, so got a little while. Stop talking there for a minute because I figure you can't hear me over this thing easily, or I'm gonna quiet the sound down. It does not want to come loose hand tight, that's for sure. Making sure you have the right tools is definitely helpful. Sometimes you just use what you got. Come on. How is this thing not hand loose yet? Bam, got it. Now I can knock this bolt out and have an axle. There's that plate. Well, there we go. Finally got this broken axle out. Sweet. That was a little bit more than our 5 minutes for the day, but now we can start making some more progress on this. Remember, sometimes you might have lots of days with no apparent progress, but keep putting some time in and you'll eventually get it. Now we can progress on fixing this John Deere L130. Thanks for joining me at 5 Minute Mechanic. Have a great day.